Magandang tanghali po ng June 20, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 20, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, June 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 20, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, June 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 20, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.